students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to give the three example of shapes with no line of symmetry. So let's discuss first figure. What will be the first figure? If we draw a key, so let's say this is our key. This is our key. So if you look here, if we divide this key from here, both the sides are different. So this vertical symmetry is not there. If we divide this horizontally, upper portion is this simple and the but lower portion is this. So it does not have any line of symmetry. So this is our first example. Now our second example can be your hand, because we know that in a hand there are five fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is your hand, and it has having 5 fingers, and all the fingers are of different size. So if we divide this from here, this is the thumb and this is your last finger. Both are of different size and different shape. So we can say that hand does not have the symmetry, not vertical as well as the horizontal. So this is the answer to the part 2. Now what will be our third, which we are just using now, that is a pen. So we are using, let's say we are using a pen which is of this type. This is its nib from here. This is pen. It's stand holder. So if you divide this horizontally or vertically, you don't get any symmetry. So let's say if you divide this vertically, here this is its tip, this is its end. Both are different. And if you divide this in this way, in the lower hand it says it's hanger, but in the upper hand it doesn't have. So this too has not line of symmetry. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of symmetry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.